气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hello, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin.
好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭，就是你看公园的时间，你家送我去买东西，你会吗？
我超爱 shopping 的，你问我这个，我当然会买东西啊。所以我们今天就要来教大家怎么买东西啦。怎么说？怎么？
买东西客家话就叫做买东西。
Okay, that's simple enough. 买东西 Again, that's to buy something. 买就是 buy, and 东西 is something.
那有时候呢，人家就会问说，那你要去哪里买东西呀？那我们会说，我去哪里买东西？
哪里买东西？
就是你要去哪里买东西？我去哪里买东西
That's right. Now this line is about where are you gonna go buy these stuff? 你要去我去
哪里
is 哪里 where
买东西
That again is to buy something.
所以你看，今天我们学到了买东西
Very good.
买东西。
买东西
我去哪里买东西？
我去哪里买东西 Now you know how to buy something. And that is today's Daily Hakka.
什么太嘎？
单词say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.